Copper tube bending is not only about making an angle, it is about forming the required pipe route for assembly, connection, and installation. This CNC copper tube bending machine is designed to form straight copper tubes into required bending shapes for different pipe applications. The long machine bed supports straight copper tube feeding, while the bending head completes the required pipe shape through controlled bending movement. Different copper pipe fittings may require different bending angles, bending radius, tube length, and end direction. For refrigeration and heat exchange pipe systems, smooth copper tube bending helps reduce deformation risk and improves the installation fit of finished pipe fittings. The finished copper tubes are suitable for refrigeration pipelines, HVAC pipe assemblies, compressor connections, cooling units, and heat exchanger pipe systems. For manufacturers, the key point is not only bending one copper tube, but producing repeatable pipe shapes for different product requirements. With 30 years of experience in tube processing equipment, Bobo helps customers build suitable copper tube bending solutions for different pipe applications. Our team will recommend the suitable solution for your production needs.